This is RC News, and today, guys. Oh man, I just lost. Get rid of that! It's still going. I can save this. I hate algebra. I'm free. Wait, what's that? Yo, let's go. I have to take this. Bro, let me go. You must offer me something in return. Fine, how about this? You can play my arcade game. Alright, well, find it for me, please. Thanks. I just gotta figure out how to get this over this log now. Get back here! How am I gonna get this? Oh, I know. I'll grab it at full speed. I'm stuck. Trying to escape with my arcade game, are we? No. No, I need backup fast. Listen, sir, if you can help me stop RC News from messing with my arcade game, I'll let you have it. Only until you lose, though. You've got a deal. Yo, let's go. My plan's coming into play. Oh my gosh. I keep losing. I sentence you with horrible sounding servos. No!